Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Exchange and Company. So in today's video I am going to give you all about an overview of the case Southern Bluefin Tuna cases. It was between Australia versus Japan and New Zealand versus Japan, and it was the cases that were in 1999. So the Southern Bluefin Tuna cases involving Australia and New Zealand against Japan occurred in 1999 and centered around the conservation and management of southern bluefin tuna fish. So now talking about the disputing parties, the case involved Australia and New Zealand as complainants and Japan as the respondent. Now talking about the background of this case, southern bluefin tuna is a highly valued species and concerns were raised about overfishing and the need for effective conservation measures. So now talking about the jurisdiction, the dispute was brought before the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea, which we all know it is also called as ITLOS clause, which has jurisdiction over maritime disputes and the interpretation of the application of the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS. So now talking about the interim measures, the complainants sought interim measures to address the urgent need for the conservation. ITLOS issued an interim order which imposed binding obligations to Japan to limit its fishing activities and about the final resolutions about the case. So now talking about the conservation measures, the case revolved around the legality and adequacy of Japan's fishing practices and whether they complied with international law and conservation objectives. Now talking about the EEZs, in exclusive economic zone, the complainants argued that the Japan fishing practices exceeded their allocated quota and encroached upon their respective EEZs, violating their sovereign rights. The case emphasized the potential ecological impact of overfishing of southern bluefin tuna and broader marine ecosystem, emphasizing the need for sustainable management. So now in this case, the case established the authority of ITLOS to issue interim measures highlighting the effectiveness of international arbitration in addressing urgent environmental concerns and promoting sustainable fishing practices. The case led to ongoing discussions and negotiations among the parties involved as well as the international community to develop long-term solutions for sustainable management of southern bluefin tuna and marine resources. So I hope you understood this video, and if you guys have any doubt regarding this, just ping me in the comment box. So thank you so much and have a nice day.